Welcome back, everyone. Today, we will discuss the cosine rule. This is a powerful formula in trigonometry that helps us find unknown sides or angles in any triangle, not just the right angled ones. In many triangles, we cannot use basic rules like Pythagoras theorem because the angle is not 90 degree. This is where the cosine rule becomes very useful. It connects the lengths of all three sides of the triangle with the cosine of one of its angles. So let's begin by studying the standard formula for the cosine rule and also solve a numerical. Also do like, share and subscribe to my channel as we proceed. So what does the cosine rule say? In any triangle with sides small a, b and c units in length and opposite angles capital A, B and C respectively. So this is demonstrated in the figure here. So what do we observe? The cosine rule is, or the standard formula for cosine rule is small a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. Next, b square is equal to a square plus c square minus 2ac cos b. Next, c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. And we can rearrange these formulas while solving numericals. The cosine rule can be used to solve problems involving triangles given. So this is very important. The cosine rule can be used to solve problems involving triangles when two sides and the included angle are given. Two sides and the included angle is given. And when all the three sides are given. Then cosine rule can be applied. Now let's begin by solving a numerical to understand the concepts better. I will write down the sum and then we will proceed to solve. So the problem is, now this is a triangle. Now this is XCM, triangle is CDE, this side is XCM, this is 14 centimeter, 11 centimeter and the angle is alpha. It is given that what is given? Cos alpha is equal to 1 by 4. I will just change my pen. Just give me a moment. It is given that cos alpha is 1 by 4. Now part A, show that x is equal to 4 root 15 using the cosine rule. Using the cosine rule. Now let's begin solving. So if we observe here, so in part A, this is the solution. In triangle CDE, what do we observe? That all three sides and an included angle is given. So using cosine rule, what do we get? x square, since the angle is alpha, so we'll begin by keeping the on the left hand side, we'll keep the side opposite to the angle. So x square, this will be on the left hand side, is equal to 14 square plus 11 square minus 2 14 multiplied by 11 cos alpha. Now then, x square is equal to, now we know that 14 square is 196 plus 11 square is 121 minus 2 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 11 is 308, and the value of cos alpha is given 1 by 4. Simplifying, x square is equal to 196 plus 121 is 317 minus 308 divided by 4 is 77, and the value is 240. Now if we further simplify this, x square is 240, so which means x square is, now factorizing, what do we get? 4 multiplied by 4, which is 16, multiplied by 15. So this follows x is 4 root 15. So this was the first part. Show that x is equal to 4 root 15 using the cosine rule. Now we'll begin solving the second part. Just give me a moment to erase. Now part B. If angle CED is equal to beta, show that cos beta is equal to k root 15 for some rational number k. For some rational number k. Now we'll solve this part. So what do we observe? Again, using cosine rule, now this is a solution. Using cosine rule, what do we observe? In triangle CDE, now what do we observe? Now again, now angle CED is beta, so this is beta. So the side opposite to this angle is 11. The length is 11 centimeters. So we'll keep 11 cm on the left hand side. We'll begin 11 square is equal to 14 square plus, now we know that x is 4 root 15 from previous part. So in place of x, we'll write 4 root 15 square minus 2 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 4 root 15 cos beta. Further simplifying, we get 11 square is 121 is equal to 14 square is 196 plus 4 root 15 whole square is 240 minus 2 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 4 root 15. Now 14 multiplied by 2 is 28 multiplied by 4 root 15 cos beta. Next, 121 is equal to, adding these two numbers, we get 196 plus 240 is 436 minus 28 multiplied by 4 is 112 root 15 cos beta. Next, now rearranging, what do we get? 112 root 15 cos beta is equal to 436 minus 121. Next, what do we get? Cos beta is equal to 436 minus 121 is 315 by 112 multiplied by root 15. Now, if we simplify, what do we get? Cos beta is equal to, factorizing 315, we get 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3 square divided by 112 is 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 7 and root 15. Okay, root 15. Now further simplifying, what do we get? Now we strike off the common parts, 7 and 7. So we get 5 multiplied by 3 square by 4 square multiplied by, now root 15 is root 3 multiplied by root 5. Now what do we get? 5 multiplied by, now 3 square is root 3 multiplied by root 3 by 4 square multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root 5. Now striking the common parts, so we get root 3 multiplied by 5 into 7, 3 square. Did I miss out something? 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 7, root 15. So 5 multiplied by 3 square is, okay, I think I missed out here. Multiplied by 3. Yes, 3 square. 3 is root 3 into root 3 multiplied by 3. Yes. So we get the value 3 by 4 square is 16 root 5. So therefore K is 3 by 16. So that's it for today's lesson. We learned that the cosine rule helps us solve any triangle which is not right angled. By relating the sides of a triangle with the cosine of an angle, it gives us a reliable method to find the unknown sides and angles. Do practice more sums to build confidence. See you in the next lesson video. Till then, happy learning!